told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
He'll be here any minute from now. Oh, at the drawer? All right, I'll check again. Yeah, bye.
Sorry, Mr. Austin.
Yes.
Do you have any idea when Mr. Adrian will be here? I mean, I've been waiting for over 3 hours.
Nobody knows. Hey, look, Adrian cannot be predicted. So, but I think any moment from now, he'll be here, right?
All right, I guess we'll wait. I mean, it's not every day that you get to interview Adrian Okonkwo, right?
Right. Oh, well, the king is here. Let me get him.
Hey guys, I'm so sorry.
All right.
So let's please settle. Let's get started.
Okay, so
Right, yes, let's go.
all right, so you have your questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be taking the interview.
What?
Yes,
Wait. Needed for this man.
I know. But do you want to interview or not? All right, thank you.
All right, who's speaking to me? Oh, right. All right.
All right, we ready?
Ready?
Okay. All right, Mr. Adrian, how best can you describe yourself?
As somebody who has seen life both ways, I've seen the good, I've seen the bad. I've been successful, and I've seen mistakes. I've done mistakes. I would say I am resilient, and I am purpose-driven.
So, how long have you been in the industry?
Yeah, I've been here well over 6 years now. Yeah, I started small, little roles here and there, commercials. I mean, I took everything that as it was coming, but no real connection at the time. But we stayed though, and voila, we are here now.
Oh, that's great. So far in this journey, what would you say is the outstanding moment, the climax of your career so far?
Climax point. I think it's when I played a role that meant a lot to me. You know, it made people see me beyond just the fine boy, the face. It made people see me beyond that. You know, it showed the emotions, and they saw me as an artist. You know, they heard me and they saw me.
What's your advice to upcoming actors in there?
Okay, so just going to keep it very simple. First of all, do not chase the fame. Yeah, don't chase the fame. Chase growth instead. You know, build. You know, build capacity. You know, build yourself. You know, because once you stay consistent, steady on your grind, the time will come.
And people don't even know that you're human anymore. They just want a bite of you.
Do you understand? And our work is very, very demanding. It doesn't matter if you're happy or you're sad. You have to show up on set. Like producers or PM will call you, and you're like, "Oh, I didn't wake up so good," and it's like 30 minutes after that, they're texting you, "Are you not here? Yeah, you're not here. You're we." Like, we're not superhuman beings, man. Sometimes we wake up sad too. When things happen, everybody will just want you to disappear and be on set, you know. But then I mean, it is what it is.
It
right?
is what it
It is what
is.
it is, right?
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Adrian. Thank you for having us. We really appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
All right. God, guys, we're good, man. Honestly. Hey, Ski.
Yeah, man, I'm so happy, and I hope the press, they're actually impressed with the interview.
Oh, right,
know.
right.
The way the questions were handled, the way you answered them, and I'm so glad I was the one who asked you the questions, you know.
I pray it comes out exactly like this on camera.
Yeah, no, sure, definitely it's gonna come out fine. Okay, so on another level, the production that you have for next week, they reached out to me, and they wanted to confirm the date from your end. So what do I tell them?
Cancel it.
Why? How? Adrian, people are waiting. Your fans are looking forward to seeing your new job. So why are we gonna cancel it?
Look, just put a pause on all productions for now, okay? I have to step in back to manage my father's company. I mean, the AO group, it just left in the hands of strangers. That's a multi-millionaire company just lying there. I don't think I can just leave that legacy to strangers. You know, I have to put in the work. My dad put in work, donkey years of service there. I have to take on that legacy.
If I heard you correctly, you landed from the airport straight to interview. Now you're working. Do you get to rest? This work is not running away. Second, you have a multi-million naira company to run. Is the company packing up this night? Come on, man. You need to breathe. You need to party a little bit. You know, taking some substance, alcohol. Leave.
So you're saying I should rather leave my company and go party the weekend with you? That's what you're saying,
That's a
basically.
fantastic idea. The company will still be there for you.
Shit. You know what? I'm not falling for this today. Nah, I'm not falling for your deceit today. I said, no, not today.
Man, why are you being this rigid? Why are you being this stoic?
I'm not falling for it. I have a very deceitful best friend and a manager. Very deceitful.
Oh my God. Look, so you're calling me deceitful, right?
Yes.
Adrian, so I'm the villain right now.
Oh, you didn't know. You didn't know. You want to whisk me away to go and party.
Look, I was just helping your life.
This is,
Your lifestyle is too boring.
oh, this is you trying to help me.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So I did not get the joke. I didn't get the joke, Ellie. Sorry.
Look, see, I'm not giving up on you. This is not actually a joke. Your life is so, like, it bores the hell out of me.
So what do you want to do?
You need to breathe. You need to leave.
I didn't-
You get? Let's go. So you
Anyway,
are you not choked up? Don't you feel gagged?
good luck with that. Good luck. You need it.
Oh, come on, man. You're too rigid. You are. You were talking about the PA or something.
I'll probably give you a call.
Yes. When do you need one? Do you actually think you need a PA or you need a break?
PA.
No, break.
PA.
Under break. You need a break.
Can you handle that?
All right, I'll make a call.
That's what I thought.
Get you somebody. All right, I'll see to that.
No problem. Just
All
keep
right.
me updated, all right?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Cheers.
Lie down on the bed beside me. What's the problem?
No, I'm not lying down with you.
Why?
Is there this house?
This is the only one that's clean, Maya. Come on, lie down.
Give me a pillow. Let me lie on the floor.
On the floor? You came to Lagos to see me, right?
To see you, or to sleep with you.
I don't understand.
Pass the pillow. Let me lie on the floor.
Maya, see, lie down on the bed now. Why are you doing like that? The bed is big enough for the both of us.
I don't want to. No. What?
You're unbelievable. See, this is Lagos. I don't know why you're behaving like this. Stop acting like a child.
Let me act like a child. Let me act childish.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
This girl is unbelievable.
I think I came to Lagos to be singing like you people. Yeah.
My God. Yeah.
You remove this one soon.
Whatever you want to do, just whatever you want to do.
Should I squeeze your face? No, it's your business. You not help me spread this thing.
Are you serious?
I'm not lying on the bed now.
Come on. Don't tell me you're eating cereal again. You could have just ordered food.
No food that tastes like disappointment and sorrow. No. I'd rather die with my conflicts.
You know what? I think you may actually die with the conflicts. Come on, Adrian. You're rich. You're big. You can actually afford any chef in this town.
Afford, yes. Tolerate, no. I don't like people hovering my space. I prefer the peace and quiet of my house.
So you call this peace and quiet?
Yeah.
This is just a decorated loneliness and boredom.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Audrey, for the diagnosis. I appreciate. And where are we with the PA thing?
I'm on it. Actually, a lot of people applied, so I'm vetting and I'm looking at by weekend, there should be an interview.
Weekend? Why do you have to wait till the weekend? When I'm drowning here with work. I mean, I need PA like yesterday.
Oh my God. Almighty workaholic. You just accepted that you're drowning. Should I alert the media?
That's not what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. I just want to drag things.
Yeah. I'll get you a PA.
Good.
I'll be fast with that.
Good.
All right, so one more thing. Before I leave, I would like to remind you that tomorrow is my birthday and we're shutting down the XY Club over there.
Happy birthday to you, Austin, in advance, and cancel me from any XY Club preparations I try to make.
And Andre, please don't do that. You are actually the guest of honor.
Did I tell you I was going to come to any club?
Look, if you don't show up, I swear I'm going to resign. And I'm serious about it.
You resign?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So you're going to resign? I'll be waiting. Just send you your resignation letter. If I not signing, come back.
Catch you later.
Later. You resign. Bring it. I go stand up.
Who are you?
I should be the one asking that question. Who are you and how did you get the keys to my boyfriend's house?
Who's your boyfriend?
Leo, of course. Who are you? Oh, come, babe.
Listen, check. Just check. Can I explain this? It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
What do you have to explain to her? Who is she?
Can you just shut up? Please, Maya, I can explain to her. It's not what you think.
I think I've heard enough.
I didn't know she was coming today.
After traveling all the way for you,
It's not what you think.
I kept myself for you.
Maya, it's not what you think, okay? It's not what you think, please. It's not what you think, please.
It's okay.
Maya.
It's okay.
Maya, listen to me. So, Maya, listen to me, Maya. Hey, chill.
Let her go. If you go after her, I will leave. And there's no show for you tonight.
God, show these people and their funny joke. Who is there? Come in. Oh. Maya. What happened? Hey, don't cry. What is it?
I went home. I saw one girl lying on her bed. And the way she was just lying there was like, it was almost like she belonged there or something. I don't know.
Which girl is that?
I don't. She said that she was Leo's girlfriend, and then he came out. She kissed him. He just stood there. He didn't say anything.
She kissed him. Right in your presence. You know what? It's okay. Right? Stop crying. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to console you, but don't cry. You pick up your life again. It's okay.
I don't know if there's any way you can help me with a job or something. Let me just start something.
It's okay. I will help you.
Start any money so that I can.
I'll help you. I told you my companies are for young, beautiful people like you. As long as you're beautiful, you're welcome to work with me. Alright? All I need to do is take your picture, send it, and then we are good. Alright? Don't cry. Leo is an idiot. Come, let's go and sit down. You don't even need someone like him. Okay? You don't look like you that is very beautiful. Let's go.
I planned.
It's okay.
Babe, let's talk about this job.
Calm down now. I'm the one that promised you job. Why are you rushing me? Calm down. You'll get the job.
Yeah, let's finalize on everything, like what the job is about. Like,
okay, fine. But
see,
this job is not your regular 9-to-5 job. But you're going to make 2 to 5 million every night. Believe me.
2 to 5 million?
2 to 5 million every night. All you need to do is just to go and talk with wealthy men. Sit down and talk with them, that's all.
Chineke, wait, so I'll just earn 2 to 5 million just by talking.
Bam.
Hey!
You will sit down and talk with them. You know, most of these guys are lonely. They need somebody to just talk with them.
Are you serious?
Yes. So are you ready?
I'm ready, yo.
You're ready, Abby? Be ready to learn, oh. Don't go out there and be arguing with them.
No, I'm ready, yo. It's just to talk now.
It's just to talk.
See, where I'm coming from, they call me parrot. I can talk from morning to evening. So if it's just to talk, I'm interested.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to take your picture. Maybe, let me look at your face.
Can we start? Let's start now.
By taking picture. I'm going to take your picture and then I'm going to send to them. And I mean, you're a pretty girl, so why not if not? We'll go and talk and make money.
Wait, once taking picture, is it here or we have to go somewhere to take a picture?
Just here.
Or should I send picture that I have?
No, just like this. You look very innocent, so they will accept you faster.
Okay.
And we'll talk. All right.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm tired of depending on people.
Yeah, don't worry. You get the job.
2 to 5.
Have you told her?
Who?
Your sister, of course.
No.
So I think no matter what, she's still your sister. And blood is blood. You can avoid her forever.
Look, she made her decision. She made her choice clearly. She left. And I'm not going to beg for her attention or even bring her into my personal family issues. No.
Okay.
Blood or no blood, bro.
But I think that no matter what. But if you say so.
Sometimes blood is trouble. Doesn't bring peace. Sometimes silence does. Just lock up.
All right, boss. Got you. Got you.
What's going on?
Oh, you're getting the pictures? These are your options. Just choose the one that you like the most.
Can you imagine this nonsense? Who sent you this one?
Come on, Adrian. Tonight is your birthday, so just choose one. Loosen up, get laid, sow your oats.
Look, I am not indulging in this with you. This is nonsense. I'm not doing this.
Hey, nobody says this is a marriage proposal. This is just a night of fun.
Can this person stop sending me this thing already? What's going on now? Oh, it looks innocent.
Oh, wow, that's good. You see someone that you like, right? Tell me.
No.
Killjoy.
I will block this person now. What's this?
Adrian, one day you'll come around.
Come around and do what?
At least leave. Huh? You're too rigid. You work too much. Your life is too serious. I don't know where you're taking this life to. Yeah, are you taking it back to God or you're taking it to this? I don't know. Live life.
This sleep is not shout. I need something very shouty.
I'm dressed though, I'm ready. Let's go and talk to the man. Let's go and talk to the man.
Yeah, dressed for what? Did I tell you we are going to church? Madam, go and change you. What are you dressed for?
I've changed now.
You can't wear this thing. Take this one. See. You need to look pinging, popping. See it.
Chineke, what is this? I know now. This thing is short now. It's too
That's what you're supposed to wear, not this. Okay? Don't waste my time.
It's not just to talk that we're talking.
Which one is just to talk? In your small mind, men pay 2 million just to talk. No, they find talk from my mouth though. Go and change your bag. Let's go.
Wait oh.
So that when I finish, I will go and change.
Hey, this thing is now starting to look like another thing because I don't understand. Is this one prostitution or what?
Call it whatever you like. The most important thing is that you do the job and you get paid.
Job?
Not be money with a fine.
Wait.
Go and change.
Which job?
The job that will get you paid.
No, we didn't talk about that one. No, you only said we're going to talk. Which job again?
It's after talking. You go with them and then you talk with them.
No, please, no. I'm not doing it. Facts.
Maya, this guy is willing to pay millions for you. I've already sent your picture. No put me for talk.
I am not doing. I'm not into prostitution. What is this?
Hunger will kill you in this Lagos. Go and change now. Let's start going. He might even increase the pay.
I'm not interested.
You have to be interested.
No, I don't sell my body to men for.
See, when I saw you, I just saw potential. I just saw that if you enter market, you go sell. Don't spoil things for me. In fact, that's even why I left in this house.
Because
go and change.
Go and remove this wig.
So what are we supposed to tell him?
Don't look for you.
This girl spoil business for me. Maya, please now, Maya.
I'm not dressed up.
Dressed up?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Your birthday. Oh, right. Look, don't worry. Yeah, I'll be here celebrating. I'll celebrate it from here. Okay. After all, I took your advice. You helped myself with a bottle of wine, and then I called for somebody to come be with me for the evening.
Somebody?
Yep.
A girl?
No, a man out there. Of course, a girl.
Badoski. My God. She felt dark.
I'm talking in the middle. I took your advice.
She has something.
Oh, she's probably endowed though.
Is that right?
Yeah.
See, I told you that you will come around.
I beg you, I'm just trying to chill.
All works and no play makes Adrian a
dull boy.
Dull boy. Mama, you're playing. But we're still going out here.
No. I'll just do it from here. Somebody's coming, I told you already. So I'll just chill, wait for the bell to come. I'll celebrate you from here. Alright? Peace,
see, let me run, Let me go and catch the party.
No wahala.
I'll rock for 2.
Break a leg.
After all, it's my birthday, not yours.
Yeah, it's a birthday.
You know what I mean?
Break a leg, bro.
See, reserve the gist for me.
Yeah, sure.
Confirm.
This kid don't take time. We're supposed to be here by now. Finally. Yeah, come in. Come in. What are you doing here? It's what to call with her.
I know. But she went with the highest bidder.
What do you mean highest bidder?
Let you know understand. Person will pay plenty money pass you. Now she follow. She said your money is small, so she went to someone that paid more.
Wait, you mean she stood me up?
Everything they call her.
What?
But don't worry, I'll bring another girl. Girls, there plenty girls.
That's not necessary. Just leave my house, please. What are you going?
Huh?
I'm not interested. Just go.
Another girl, she's very fine. Oh.
Get out. Can you imagine? I should have just stayed here and do my work. It's all this boy. It's all this. I swear to you, I'll fire that boy. We can come back next year. It's all his fault.
Just like that? Over the phone, I'm fired. Is that just it?
You got the text, right? That's enough explanation for you.
You don't do that. No, you don't. At least you tell me something that I did wrong so that I won't repeat it again.
Look, do the interviews, get me the best candidate for the PA job, and then you're officially fired.
Like, seriously? You're even serious about this?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, like, how? Look, Adrian, we've been friends. Outside official, whatever. You have to give me something to hold on to. There's nothing tangible.
Austin, I don't want to talk about it. Just go do your job, Austin.
Can you remember where we came from? All the years together. At least I deserve to know what I did wrong. I deserve an explanation. You don't just throw people off like that.
Austin, just go and do your job.
I'll get you a PA.
I can't tell you a girl made a fool of me, not you.
All right, sir. We're done with the interviews. 40 people were actually shortlisted, and this person made it to the job. Yeah, these are resume. She answered all our questions intelligently and very, very sharp. Though she has no work experience prior to now, but it's as though she prepared all her life for this opportunity, and she's willing to learn in the job.
So this person is good for a job, yeah?
Positive. I think she's very good.
And you told her I work from home?
Yes, I did. She's aware.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
When is she starting?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Okay. Austin.
Sir.
You get to keep your job.
Like, seriously? I'm no longer fired.
Yeah, but from now on you work strictly from the office. You come home when it's extremely important.
I only come here when it's extremely important.
You heard me right.
Okay, so maybe when you forget your password or when the world is coming to an end.
Austin, don't push it.
Sorry. Sorry, sir. Please, can I know what I actually did?
Austin, go on.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for the second chance. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Your new intern. Look at the time. She's not here yet.
I
Where's the staff?
think maybe it's traffic.
So on her first day of work, she's going to use traffic as an excuse. Huh?
But you know Lagos. But like, let's just give her some grace.
First impression matters, though.
Yeah. Let me fetch it.
Good morning, sir. I'm so sorry I took so much time to get here. I actually had difficulties locating this house.
You? It's you?
Me? Yes, I'm your new PA. I'm Maya Okoro.
Do you know me?
Yes. I did my research.
No. Forget about research. Like, personally, do you know me?
No, sir.
What else do you do apart from this? Like, do you hang around dark corners at odd hours with the highest bidders? Huh?
I don't understand what you're... This is the only job that I do. Are you okay, sir?
Yeah. I'm alright, I'm fine.
Sir, what your schedule for today? What's it like?
Work schedule for the day, right? Take those files. Sort them by category before noon.
Okay. Everything.
Sort them out downstairs.
Okay. God, I'm so hungry. I'm so tired.
Have you done?
I haven't.
Yeah, come in.
Sir, I've arranged the files according to dates and category.
Okay, so leave them here. I have a business dinner by 7 p.m. and you're going with me.
This is 6 p.m. already.
Yeah, we leave in 1 hour then.
Oh no, I actually meant that I was planning to go home. I can't be home later than 8 p.m. because it's usually harder to get transport back home, and It's generally unsafe.
I guess that's your problem. It's your job. You figure it out. Except you want to lose the job.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and
Okay, sir.
why you
I'll wait downstairs.
felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look
Let's see how long you can pretend
on you too long.
it's innocent.
Hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Hey, wake up. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing?
Good morning, sir.
Morning. See, it's 7:30 p.m.
I'm so sorry, sir. I was waiting for you to come down so we'll go out together. I slept off.
You slept on my couch. Rolling all over my couch. Can you imagine this girl?
No, sir, I wasn't really.
So I'm lying now. I'm talking nonsense.
Nothing, sir.
Listen, let me get to that car before you. You will lose this job. So where do you stay?
Oh, sir, I thought we were heading to the dinner.
I changed my
First.
mind. I'm not going there anymore. I can't take you there. You go and sleep on me.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself.
It won't happen again, sir. I was just tired, and since I started this work, I've been trying my best since I started this work.
Well, try harder. Where do you stay?
Number 3 Layout Street.
Okay.
People just so hard, please.
What?
Nothing, sir. Oh, God. Vera, why did you give me a boss that hates me so much? Like, do you know what I had to go through today? See this, I'm venting and you are doing a video.
What do you want me
What
to
is
say?
it now?
No be one walk. I show you baby girl life. I said, follow this path. You're going to have a smooth sail. I said, no, you want to walk. You go see what you find. No worry me. Oh. No, you don't worry me.
This is what you have to say.
What am I supposed to say? Are you not the one that rejected my offer? You go see her. If you like me use your eyes see shege, you will see it. Please, when are you reconciling with your boyfriend and moving to his house?
Which nonsense boyfriend? The one that I went to his house yesterday and I saw the girl that he swore he broke up with. Eh? A bastard.
That guy is an idiot. Also, okay, so when is your boss giving you a place to stay?
What kind of question is this now? Why are you chasing me out?
Yes, so you are leaving. And they follow you play.
No.
When you say you no follow my partner, you have to leave.
I'm not going anywhere. We'll die here together.
How?
For your information, once I get paid, I'll send in something for the house rent.
So it's by force now to stay in my place.
Yes, it's my force.
No, you will leave.
I'm not going
Go back
anywhere.
to your boss so that you finish it completely.
Come on, carry me. You are laughing. I don't know where you found this stupid person from. Stressing my life.
Now you say you want work, let me give you work. Have you eaten? You
Leave
eat
me
food
alone.
and top?
Leave me alone. Good morning, sir.
You want to have a good morning? Start by cleaning my couch you drooled over yesterday.
I didn't drool on your couch, sir.
Are you calling me a liar?
No, I'm not. No, sir, I'm not.
Clean it. Get it out in the kitchen and make it sparkle. I'll come back and check. You hear me?
Yes, sir. What kind of nonsense is this? From where to where now? Eh? What kind of boss is this, for crying out loud? Is it till he sucks my blood? I don't understand. I've begged, I've tried, I've done everything. Which couch am I cleaning now? I don't understand. Nonsense couch. Oh goodness, who is calling me? Leo, I have told you, don't call my phone. Leave me, I don't care. I don't care if she's your mother's auntie or your sister or your uncle. Leave me. What is it now? I said we're done. We are done. Stop calling me. Ah, jeez. Oh my God. Sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry? Why are you yelling in my house? Why are you yelling?
It was a personal call.
Personal call? Listen, keep every personal call to yourself. Do you understand? Why are you taking that nonsense here?
I'm sorry, sir. She just called. I didn't know that. I'm sorry.
When you're done with the couch, you go pick up something for me. I'll send you the address on the WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Some calls.
Ah! God, I'm just... What kind of person is this, for crying out loud? Leo, what is this madness? Just listen, please. My boss is a very strict man. If he comes here and sees me standing here with you,
Maya.
I could get fired.
Maya, I know I messed up, okay? But I can't stop thinking about you.
What is your problem? I said leave. Please, leave this place.
Then come back home with me.
Come back with who?
I promise I'll make this right. Please.
Leo, get out.
Then I'll keep coming back until you listen.
Okay, stay here.
Maya, please. Now, Maya, just a minute. Maya.
No, stay there. Stay.
Maya, please.
Let him come out and see you there.
Excuse me, I need to get in.
Hi, good afternoon. Are you here for someone?
Excuse me, I need to get in.
I can't let you in.
Because?
I wasn't given permission to let anybody in.
And who are you? Girl, I need to get in there.
You'd have to call him.
Are you crazy? Adrian could fire you in a heartbeat for this insolence. Girl, I need to get in there.
Madam, please, you have to call him first.
Call him. I am his fiancé. I don't need permission to get into his house.
Oh. I had no idea you were his fiancé. But you still have to call him. Just try to understand, please. I'm only doing my job. Okay.
You're mad. And you'll regret this. He's not even picking my call. I need to go in.
I can't let you inside. You know how Mr. Adrian is. he doesn't like people disobeying him, so I'm just doing my job, please. Just try his number again.
Are you kidding me?
Come in.
I'm sorry, there's a lady outside. She said she's your fiancée. She wants to see you.
Did I tell you that I'm expecting anybody?
No, sir.
Oh, you're very lucky. You're very lucky you didn't let that bastard into my house. If not, you'd have lost his job right now.
Sorry, sir.
And yeah, yes. Tell your clients to stay away from my property. Keep your shitty business to yourself.
I'm so sorry about that, sir. I didn't invite him here. I swear. He just...
Next time I see him here, I'll get him arrested.
I'm sorry, sir. I had no idea he was going to be coming here. I didn't invite him here, I swear. Sir, the lady's still outside.
Mind your business. Mind your business. He's still outside.
Yes, now. Like, I'm just so tired, honestly. The way he acts, it's almost like he hates me or something. I don't know. Like, I'm just tired of this job, honestly. I mean, I like the job, but if it was a different employer, then... Vera. Why is that every time I'm venting to you, you just put your ear as if you're not listening to me, or as... I mean, yes, now. That's what I... Jesus.
What did I tell you about taking personal calls during the hours?
I'm so sorry, sir. I wasn't doing anything, so I just thought that I could...
Right. You don't have anything to do. Don't work, nothing. Let me fix that.
No, sir, that's not what I meant.
What? You don't want to work? I shouldn't... Get the door.
Babe, do you know I've been out and knocking for like forever?
What are you doing here?
Baby, what do you mean? I came all the way from Abuja for you.
Abdul, hello, excuse me, are you home? Are you available? Can I come? What happened to that?
Adrian, I wanted to surprise
And
you.
you very well know that I don't like surprises. I don't like it.
Thought you'd be happy to see me.
And then, what English do you want me to speak again? We are done. Done.
Hey man, I think the both of you should sit down and have a conversation. Sort things out.
Austin, I opened that door because I felt you were the one coming in. Listen, the same way you brought her into this house, take her out.
Austin, sit down here.
What are you doing here? Are you crying?
No, sir. Something got into my eye.
Oh, is he out now?
Yes.
Maya, tell me something. Have you ever been stood up before? I mean, get ready for something, dressed up, prepared, get things ready, and then person to just show up because, you know, it wasn't probably convenient anymore, or they went for somebody more wealthier. Have you ever been in that situation before?
No. Yes. I don't know.
How would you feel you were in that situation?
I mean, people do things because they have their own reasons. So I guess whoever that was had their reasons for doing what they did.
Right. Why didn't you come? Why didn't you show up, Maya?
Why didn't I show up? Where?
You see this innocent game you're trying to play. It's not going to work for much longer. Do you understand? I have to come out clean and say the truth. I mean, one day. Just one day.
May I help you, miss?
Yes. I want you to leave my man. Stop being on his face. Stop distracting him because you're the reason he's been acting all weird and avoiding me.
If only you know how much your man hates me. I'm not the cause of your problem.
You're a liar. And I see you. I know your type. I know you. And I know you're a gold digger.
Is there anything you need for the last time?
Because you're sending me off. Dismissing me. I need something. I'm sending some money to the Access account you gave me the last time. I need cookies, chocolates, feminine wipes.
I'm at work.
Are you getting that? If Adrian hears that you disobeyed me, honey, you will be so sorry for yourself. Please don't waste my time. Very snappy.
Maya. Maya. What are you still doing here?
Papi,
What are you still doing here?
please, let me just stay for 3 days. Even though there's nothing happening between us anymore, we're still childhood friends, aren't we?
Fine, it's 3 days and not an hour more. Have you seen Maya around?
No. Wait, yes. So she was walking and then her phone rang. She took that call, went outside and a car pulled up. She left in it.
Did you say a car? What car?
How am I supposed to know?
Is that girl trying to get on my nerves? I mean, I've warned her several times to keep her personal life to herself and take it off my property. What's wrong with her? Trying to piss me or what? And where are you coming from?
Maya, don't lie. I saw you leave with that car.
What car? She sent me on an errand.
You're a bloody liar. Why are you lying against me?
Look, Maya, I've warned you. Keep your personal life to yourself and take it off my property. What is wrong with you? Oh, now you leave your work and go and frolic with men? Is that what you're doing right now?
Excuse me.
What excuse you?
How dare you?
I mean, that's how they all behave. I mean, going around sleeping with the highest bidder, right?
Listen, insult me.
Maya.
You can belittle me, but don't you ever in your miserable life insult my integrity. You know what? I quit. This work, I quit. I'm done.
Yeah? Go. Let her go, please. Go. He has seen your real self. Adrian, how do you employ someone like that?
What's going on here? These things were arranged when I left.
What was that noise downstairs? Eh? You think it's bravery to slap your boss?
You
You think?
insulted me first. You literally called me a whore.
I mean, what do you call a woman who sleeps with a man for money? That's a whore. Hey, listen. You did it one time. You don't have a chance to do it again. Do you understand? I mean,
Kindly move out of my way.
who is he? I mean, the guy you stood me up for. Who is he? The highest bidder. Who is he?
What are you saying?
The highest bidder. Who is he? I want to know. Who the hell is he?
Are you out of your mind? What highest bidder? What are you even talking about? What is your problem? Ever since I got into this, you've literally made my life a hellhole. What is it?
You know what? You know the truth, but you still choose to keep on lying. That's the part that gets me the most. Just tell the truth. Just say it. I am so disappointed in you, Maya. Say the truth or get out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known
See,
you too
I'm just
long,
tired.
it hurts to
You could have seen the words he was using. Like the way he spoke to me like I was some cheap thing. I'm exhausted at this point, honestly. Where are you? Yes, now I need a shoulder to cry on. Oh my goodness, is that you? Oh, thank goodness. What are you doing here? What are you looking for?
I'm going to get my documents.
That I left at your house.
The SH document for my supplies. I can't find them. I'm here to get them.
It's in your house. I left them there.
You left them in my house. I mean, I've been searching. I can't find it. And you're the last person who saw those documents. I'm here to get it, or you follow me back home and search for them.
Follow you back where?
Home.
I'm not
to
going
search.
anywhere.
What do you say?
Why should I leave my house to follow you back to your house? Please just leave. Leave this place, please.
I'm going to ask one more time. Follow me nicely to my house and go find my documents. Or...
Is this a threat or what? I don't understand. I said I don't have your documents. Go find them yourself.
Do you know the consequences of this? I could lock you up right here, right now, for theft. And you spend the rest of your life in prison. Or you follow me nicely to my house.
What was this thing now? I kept it here. Check this thing again.
Well, look who we have here. Miss, I quit. What happened? Huh? Gold digger. B couldn't stay away from the honey, huh?
Nina, please. I don't have energy for any drama right now. If you know where the contract document is, please provide it so I can give it to your man. He says I'm not going to leave until I provide it. So please.
You expect me to believe that bullshit? I don't have a feeling you're just pretending. You've hidden that document just so you have a reason to stay close to him, right? Right?
We're sick.
What did you just say to me?
I said we're sick. Because only a sick person would sit and imagine that me, someone like me, would want to be in this nightmare of a house with your nonsense. In fact, just I have work to attend to.
You must be mad.
Did you just raise your voice?
Oh, I'll do worse. I'll do worse if you don't stay away from him.
You're lucky. You're lucky I don't have your time.
Oh, really? I'll go to hell. Go to hell, bitch.
Come in. Come in.
Sir, I need to go now.
Have you found the document you're searching for?
No, sir.
So where do you want to go?
I need to leave. I am sick and tired of you and your girlfriend. I'm tired, please. I just want to go to my house. I don't understand what I ever did to you.
I'm sorry. Hey, relax, okay? I'm tearing up right now. Sorry.
I need to go home.
What happened to your face?
Nothing, it's nothing.
No, what happened to your face? Tell me. Tell me.
She slapped me. She told me to stay away from you.
Nina slapped you. Nina! Nina!
What? Why are you shouting my name?
You slapped Maya.
Is that what she said?
Did you slap Maya? It's a yes or a no question. Did you slap Maya? We're going to go to that guest room. Pack your things and leave my house this minute. Do you understand? Do you understand? I mean, you should be resting.
I have to leave right now. I have to rest at my place.
Okay, just at least just sit down, okay? I have something I have to tell you. Please.
Speak.
Look, Maya, I don't hate you. Okay? In fact, I liked your picture even before I met you in person.
My picture?
Yeah.
Hold on. Well, how did you even get my picture?
Look, so there's this agency that sent me the picture. Right, there was this day, I needed company, I needed a girl for the night. And then they sent me a couple pictures and I saw you and I liked it. And I requested that you come around, but then you didn't show up. And then later I found out that you went for the highest bidder.
Oh my... That was you?
Yeah, that was me.
Oh my goodness. No. I'm sorry. You got it all wrong. My friend, she misunderstood everything. She only told me I was going to meet a client and then she told me I was going to wear some revealing clothes. And I suspected at that moment something was off. So at that point, I wanted out. I told her I wasn't into that kind of thing. What highest bidder? Nothing happened. I didn't go anywhere that night. I called everything off. I told her I wasn't interested.
Wait, you're not.
No. I'm not into that. No. No.
Okay. Look, Maya, I'm sorry. I should have asked you rather than judge you.
It's okay. Now I understand where all that anger was coming from. And now I also have to deal with Vera for causing this mix-up.
I'm sorry again. Okay.
It's okay. What's this?
Yeah. Food. I made food.
Who cooked?
Yes.
Who knew CEOs could cook?
Trust me, there's a lot of other things I can do that you don't know yet, Maya.
Like what?
You find out. You'll find out. So you grab my own food now.
Thank you.
So, tell me, Miss Maya, do you like it?
It's good.
What do you mean? What do you mean it's good? Listen, I spent 6 hours making this meal just to get that it's good.
You don't mean it. Like, what, do you want an award or something?
Yes. I deserve best cook. Yes, I give you my award. Please give it to me.
You tried your best.
I can't believe you right now. Anyway.
It's actually good. Really good.
How hard was that? Anyway, thank you. Thank you for forgiving me.
It's okay. So you were jealous?
No, I wasn't jealous. It's not that deep. It's not that deep.
It's not that deep. That's why you made me clean that couch. A couch that I didn't even
Okay,
drill on.
fine. Maybe I was a bit silly. I'm sorry about all that. Sorry.
I forgive you.
So yeah, are you spending the night here?
Excuse me?
Don't look at me like that. I didn't mean spend the night in my room. There's a guest room. You can stay. You're welcome there. I mean, it's pretty late already.
Oh. I don't think I can go home this night. It's pretty late.
The guest room is clean.
Maya! Maya, come right now!
What's it? Are you mad?
See, there's not time for this. What's wrong with you? You didn't go home last night, and now you're wearing his shirt. What is this, Maya?
Leo, just come.
Don't ask me to come. I'm disappointed in you, Maya. Where's your shame?
Excuse me. Was he? Are you mad? Eh? Are you mad? You don't need trespass into my property. You bang on my door. Are you crazy or something?
Listen, Mr. Adrian, this is my girl. Okay? You don't think because you have money, you can just snatch her away from me.
Oh. Listen, Leo, right? I give you 60 seconds to leave my property. And if I come back here, you're still here, you will have yourself to blame. Just wait for me. You're very stupid.
You need to go. You need to actually leave.
This isn't over. This isn't over.
Just go.
Let's see who actually loves you.
Go, please, just go.
Maya, please. Please, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to spoil your name. You know that night you said you're not going again. I panicked. Okay, I needed to save my business and myself. Has already deposited money for you. I didn't even know what to tell him. I'm sorry. I just had to lie.
So in a bit to cover up your business, you had to taint my name. You practically dragged my name into the mud. Because of what?
Because of money. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry, okay? I didn't know what to do. I thought you would not even see him again. I didn't even know you end up working for the same person. I'm sorry, please. I thought it was a one-night thing and your path will not cross. I'm sorry, please.
You really hurt me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Please. Hmm?
It's okay.
You forgive me? Really? Really?
Yes. What would holding grudge do for me? Would you change what you did? You won't change anything now, so.
I'm so sorry. But
It's
tell me, are you not dating like dating?
I don't understand.
Like dating? You know he's rich. Like that guy has money. Are you not dating? Do you know he was willing to pay 5 million for you that night? But I collected half.
I'm not interested in his money or anything like that. I like him for him.
As how now?
I don't really care about the
As
money
how
part.
now? Collect money and say you like him for him. See that you're blushing, you're in love. It looks like you're in love.
Leave me alone, no. Leave me.
I'm sorry, okay. But still collect money, Sha. Sorry.
You that I just forgive.
I'm
I
sorry.
don't cross your boundary.
I'm sorry.
So, you sounded very urgent over the phone. Is everything okay?
Yes, I did. I just need to tell you something very, very important.
Oh, is there a problem at the office or did I do anything?
No problem at the office, and it's not the type of problem you're thinking about. It's Look, Maya, I am.
You're just scaring me. Is something wrong?
I like you, Maya. Okay, that's not even enough. I love you. I love you so much, Maya. In fact, right from the first day I saw a picture of you, I've loved you ever since, Maya.
Oh wait, is this the emergency?
Yes. In fact, if I didn't tell you this right now, I feel like I was going to explode because I've been keeping this down for the longest, Maya.
Wow. I'm sorry, this is all, it's too much to take in. I think I need some time.
Okay. I mean, if it's time you need, then that's fine. Right? And take as much time as you want. And I don't even want to force you to do something you don't want to do. And I do need you.
You said that I'm not interested as well.
Is that a yes? This is definitely a yes.
It's more of a maybe, or something close to that.
You know, maybe it's very, very close to a yes.
Don't push your luck, sir. Hi.
Hey. Good?
How are you?
I'm alright. I got something for you.
Got something.
Yeah, have it.
No.
What?
You didn't have to.
Of course. I mean, this is a piece for when I want to call you, when I miss you and I want to hear your voice, when I miss you and I want to see your pretty face, I'm just going to ring you on this.
Oh my goodness. You keep buying me expensive things.
Yeah, because you deserve it, baby. You do. You're stubborn head.
Anyway. Thank you.
Anyway. Like a gift.
No!
There
Stop.
you go.
No, I don't like this picture. No. Adrian.
Look,
delete this one.
Hold on,
See, my hair looks like a...
Wait, it's so pretty.
My hair looks like a mess. No. Stop. Delete that picture. I don't like it.
This is nice.
I don't like this picture.
You know, I'm going to send it to your phone and then I'm going to save it as a screensaver.
You're so stubborn.
They look cute together.
You're so stubborn.
That's why you love me, right?
Delete that picture.
No.
Every time football.
Yeah. Is there every time romantic movies?
Yes.
Why? Why romantic movies?
Because people like romance. It makes us happy.
I mean, football makes people scream with joy.
Or cry. No.
You're going to give me the remote.
No.
You're going to give me the remote.
No,
Maya,
please.
Maya,
No.
give me the remote.
No,
give me.
please, I don't
Give me.
want
Give me.
to
Give me. Give me. Maya, give me the remote. Please.
I will watch. It's okay.
All right, fine. We are just going to watch your romantic film. You were supposed to say, let's watch football.
As how? Let's watch our romantic film.
Okay, fine. Watch it then. Now you're happy.
Yes, I'm happy.
You know
I'm not
what?
happy.
Of course I'm happy. In fact, I have not laughed this much in ages.
That's because I'm fun. I'm very fun to be around.
I mean, apart from fun, you have this peace you come with. It's just make everywhere so calm and just be so effortlessly.
Well, I mean, it's me.
You stuck with me, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
And well, you make me feel very safe.
Right. That's a good thing, right? Okay. That's it. There you go.
Good morning.
Hey.
I thought today was your free day.
Not today. I have to meet up some clients and discuss business. How are you?
Okay. So you'd rather go to work to impress some strangers than stay home with me?
If you keep looking at me like that, I'm going to cancel all my meetings for today and just be home with you. I mean, I strongly suggest you rest because last night wasn't exactly peaceful for you.
Oh my. Do you have to make it a news headline?
No, I mean, you should rest.
Oh my goodness. You know that the walls are listening, right?
I don't even care at this point. Like, what was you listening to me now? Huh?
Stop, you're so silly. You're so shameless.
You're so beautiful. Listen, I'll get us and pick you up by 2 p.m. today, okay? You just look pretty.
I just want to stay home in your shirt. Audrey.
Hey, please. You just want me to wrap up and come back home. That's what you want, right? Anyway, promise. I will be quick, okay? Ah. My baby.
I love you.
Love you too. Stay good, okay?
Alright, go. I want to keep you waiting.
If someone told me that Adrian Okonkwo would fall in love in this life, I would laugh myself to sleep.
I guess life has surprised you then.
Talking about surprises, this is a pure miracle. It's not a surprise at all. Like the genius in love. Nah, I didn't see that coming. But maybe right now you get to go out some more, party, losing up. Now there is another person in your life.
Go out here. From one introvert having to date another introvert, going out isn't going to happen.
No. That sounds so dangerous.
That's
That's dangerous, bro. That's dangerous.
Anyway, I want you to pick her up tomorrow at 6 p.m. to the Cream Gardens restaurant.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What's happening there?
I'm going to propose.
No, don't say. Are you for real?
Mm-hmm.
Propose?
Yeah.
Man, that's so fast.
Exactly. I mean,
You're
you
a
have to,
sharpshooter.
you have to wait for like a year or 2 years to know somebody. You know them, you see them, it clicks, and then boom, off you go.
Straight to the point.
Straight to the point.
Straight to the board. Straight to the board. Straight to the board. Congratulations, man.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Congratulations, man. This
Thank
is
you.
Adrian Onwe. But see, you have to give me credit too. You don't give me enough credit. Even though that I hired that pretty PA of yours, you wouldn't have seen love in this life.
Don't push it. Don't push it. Shh. Don't push it.
This is more like love walking and finding you. An introvert who doesn't leave the house. Your case is different though.
Exactly.
It's different though.
What God cannot do doesn't exist.
It does not exist.
Hey.
You approve of that.
So tomorrow.
Man. Cheers.
Yes, please.
Cheers. To your future proposal.
Yes, please.
Honestly, babe. You should see the way he looks at me. Like I'm the only girl in the whole world. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Should we call it that? I don't know. But something close to that. He just makes me safe. And, he's different. Oh, someone's at the door. Hold on. Let me get that. But yeah, you should have seen the way he was looking at me this morning. Just kept blushing. Hi, hello.
Hi, Miss Mara.
From who?
Living.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Vera, he sent me wine. Wait, let me show you. Let me snap it and send to you. What? Yeah, he knows, but I don't know. Maybe he's just being thoughtful. Let me go get a cup. I'm coming. Yeah. It's nothing. I know. I could just have a little. I mean, it's him, right? Yeah. Okay. I'll call you back. Oops. What the hell is this? Someone knock. This isn't bad. I'm coming. Hi.
Hi, madam.
Hi. How are you?
I'm great. My boss said I should come pick you up.
Oh yeah. He told me.
Okay.
He said
Oh.
so.
Wow. That's a wine.
You want some?
I
There's
wouldn't
actually
mind.
some glasses in the kitchen, so you could just.
Okay. Yay.
I'm coming. Let me go. I want to go and change.
Get ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Hi.
If you need to put anything. Babe. Where?
Oh my God, what happened? You look like you've been hit by a storm. What happened? I came to pick up a dress I left here last week. Where is Maya?
Maya is gone.
Gone as in...
Maya cheated on me. With my friend.
Are you sure, Maya?
What do you mean, are you sure? I saw them with my own two eyes on the bed. Same bed. What did I do to deserve this? I mean, I was loyal, I was faithful, I gave her everything. What did I get in return?
Of course you were faithful. Hey, look, you didn't do anything wrong, Adrian. All you did was love a woman who didn't know your value, and now she's lost you. She's ungrateful. That's what she is. Come here. Listen. You're every woman's dream, Adrian. Any woman would be so lucky to have you. Don't let her destroy you. Okay? She didn't even deserve you.
Hey! What? What are you trying to do? We are done.
Adrian! Why are you doing this? Why are you still hung on to a woman that just betrayed you? What is wrong with you?
I should have known better.
Oh, God. We need to talk. Adrian, you need to listen to me. We need to talk, please. You can say whatever you have to say. I'm not leaving here.
Nina, this is between Adrian and I. Please step back.
Girl, if you think I'm going to leave you alone, a whore like you, alone with my man, think again. Think I don't know the kind of life you and your friend live.
Okay, I might be everything you said I am, but I don't go about throwing myself on a man who has clearly rejected me.
How dare you?
Enough. Nina, please just excuse me. Okay, I'll talk to you later, please.
So I should go. Please. Adrian. Don't say I didn't warn you.
See, Adrian, Maya is not into what I do. That night I lied. Yes, I lied to save myself and my business. I'm sorry. And I don't think she cheated on you.
What do you mean?
Okay, fine. I know you saw them in bed, but she told me that you sent her a drink. Maya is not good with alcohol, but she took it just to please you. And I think it was a drink that knocked her out.
Audrey, I didn't send her any drink.
You did not?
No.
She took a picture and sent it to me. She said you sent her a drink.
I didn't send her any drink.
Then who did? Wait. She told me that she went upstairs to change after taking the drink, and Austin took the drink here. But the next thing, they were in bed together. I don't know how it happened. She can't even explain it.
Who would be behind all this?
I don't really know, but is it that this girl that just left, Nina, or you? They're the only people that will benefit if the both of you break up.
Nina tried to kiss me just now.
What?
Yes. Oh my God, Maya.
I think she's innocent. That's just the...
Find Maya.
Okay.
I am so sorry. I know I messed up before, but I promise I'll do things right this time.
Leo, please, leave me alone.
Please. That Adrian guy is a fool. I mean, he didn't even believe you. What kind of man does that? Please, I beg you.
Don't speak about him like that.
Why not? He humiliated you. I'm here, kneeling down, begging you to love me. Please, Maya.
I told you we're done. I already gave myself to him.
You what?
You and...
You slept with him?
It's my choice.
Maya! Hey, Maya, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Okay, look, I know everything now, okay? I was blind now. I see you, okay? I see you. I'm sorry.
I never cheat on you.
No. Listen. You don't have to explain anything, okay? Nina is behind it all, right? Nina planned everything. But trust me, I got that bitch arrested. And she's confessing right now in the police station. Okay,
So now you believe her?
Leo is enough, okay? You've done enough harm. Leave. Leo, please leave. Give them space. Go.
I'm sorry.
How did she get in?
When she came to my house, she stole my keys. And then she told the police that she drugged you guys and she took Austin upstairs. Look, I don't know how she did it, but that's what she told the police.
Oh my God.
I'm so sorry. I am so sorry.
I thought I lost you.
No. I was the idiot that nearly lost you. Okay? You will never lose me. Alright? I'm so sorry. Look, I'll tell you something. After all this stuff settles down, I'm gonna marry you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Babe! Babe! Please come down, please. Ah, there you are. Come here. Come here.
What's the problem? What is it? Why are you so...
Give me a hug first of all.
What's going on here?
Listen, they approved the contract. Yes, so I am to provide new cars to the new House of Rep members. All of them, baby.
Oh my God! I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Aww. Wait. this contract, is it somehow linked to that document you made me before?
Baby.
So you just wanted to use that as an excuse so you could sue me.
That was childish, I know. But I mean, I would do anything for my baby. Guess what?
What?
We're going out tonight. Yeah. I want you well dressed, looking gorgeous, hair, makeup, dress, everything on fleek.
What are you saying? I don't look gorgeous right now.
No, you do. I mean, it's a touch of something extra, the extra thing you usually do. That's what I want you to do.
Where are we going? I thought we are going to be introverts.
No. Tonight is an exception, okay? We're outside tonight, baby. Do you need my help or something?
No, I don't care.
I got extra pairs of hands. I could help you zip up, down. I could buckle. I could.
Madam,
Where is my brother?
my oga don't come on.
Bring the bag inside. Amanda.
Mom, where are we?
So, do you have the key to the house?
Okay. No. Yes.
Come get it.
Mom, where are we?
This is your grandfather's house.
Grandpa was rich.
He is rich. Because even in there, his name opened doors.
Then why didn't I get to see him before he died?
Amanda, please. This is not why we are here, okay? And please, fewer questions. Let's go.
Sorry, Mom.
Please, easy with the bags. Careful.
Audrey,
Adrian,
what are you doing here?
what sort of stupid question is that? Why are you asking me what I'm doing in my father's house?
Babe, who's she?
Baby, this is my sister.
Oh, you didn't tell your little fling that you have a sister, huh?
Audrey, first of all, this is not a fling, okay? This is my wife, and her name is Maya. And I would love it if you address her like that, okay?
Your wife? Wow! Adrian Okonkwo, your wife! So you got married and you think I didn't deserve to know? Wow! Adrian Okonkwo!
Hello, hold on there. I don't think you want to go down that path. Let me remind you, you cut me off. You cut us all off. I mean, no call number, no address, nothing. I mean, what were you? Listen, don't get me started, okay? Don't even try it.
Who is your sister-in-law? Please, I'm not talking to you. Please don't talk to me. Amanda, let's go.
Babe, I haven't seen this person in years. I do. How did she even get in here?
Baby,
Yes, darling.
my love.
Okay. What's going on, baby?
What do you mean what's going on?
So nothing is going on. And you decide to be all mushy.
Can't I compliment my husband in peace?
I mean, yes, you can, but not with this tone, not with this mushiness. It's giving. I want something. So what do you want to tell me? There's nothing really. Are you sure?
Breakfast is ready. And I want a fever.
Bam. Hey, now you've landed. Okay, tell me. What do you want?
I want a job.
You want a job?
Yeah, I want to start something. Like, I want to start doing something. I'm tired of staying home all day.
I mean, you know that if you want a job, you can always come to the company. right? I mean, I would even give you my position. I mean, you MD, CEO, chairman, anything you want, I could give you my office. Okay?
No, babe, no. I know, but I want something personal, something I'll start on my own and have a personal experience with. If I want to take your job, I would have taken it a long time ago.
Baby.
Yes.
Wow. Amanda, sit down.
Wow, Mom, this looks so delicious.
I know. So just eat as much as you can. Don't forget, this is your grandfather's house, okay? Eat anything you want at all. Eat, alright?
What is this? What's going on here?
What does it look like we're eating?
Oh, Auntie, I'm so sorry. The food looks so nice, and Mom said we could
Take your hands off the food. Why are you yelling?
My husband's food. You are eating my husband's food.
Maya, this is my father's house. And I can eat whatever I want.
You can eat whatever you want.
Yes, I can.
So why didn't you prepare food by yourself? Why are you eating something that is easy?
Why are you not trying to make a scene over this small plate of food now? Okay, we are eating it and so. Go and make another one and stop being lazy.
Mom, that's not nice. It's not our food.
Please tell her. Tell her since she doesn't have sense.
Don't you even dare! You shot me!
Hey! What's wrong with you? Listen, I won't have you in this house maltreat my wife. Do you understand? What's wrong with you?
Your wife. So because it's your wife, you allow your wife to insult me? Eh? Don't forget this is my father's household.
Point of correction, this is my house now. This is my house.
Andrew, you lie. You are a bloody liar. This is my father's house and it's my house.
Uncle, I'm so sorry for eating your food. I didn't know it was your food.
Hey, no. Hey, princess, it's okay. It's okay, alright? Eat, right? Eat. It's fine, it's not your fault, okay?
I don't understand.
Baby, it's okay.
I don't.
Baby, it's okay.
What are you going to eat now?
I'll figure out something in the office, okay? Maybe I will talk to her, I promise. Alright? Come here. It's okay. Look, Audrey is back. And she's back to make my life living hell.
I knew it. When you won that contract, I knew that Audrey is going to show up. You should have known your sister by now.
Look, I don't even mind her showing up. Honestly, because at this point, she's family. Do you understand? But making the house uncovered for me and my wife, that's why I won't take it.
See, look, Audrey is dramatic. She's troublesome. She could be a lot at the same time in different times. I think that you actually need to find a way around it. Okay? She needs to know that it's not game as usual. Things have changed.
I have been finding my way around this thing for the longest now. And I can see it in Maya's eyes. She's exhausted. She's tired. And I can't hold her for longer anymore. Honestly.
Look, I think you have to employ one method. A new strategy. Call her, sit her down, reason with her. Let her know that you are a married man right now, or you have a woman in your life.
I think I don't know that.
Papa, you need to...
In fact, I will try again.
That's it.
I will try again.
Keep trying, because that your sister is so hard-headed. I rest my case. I reserve my comment, or I comment my reserve, because Audrey is a lot.
I'll just try my best, because I'm more... I don't know if I could take Maya longer than this. I don't know.
No, you're trying. Even me, that is not... Audrey, I think Audrey should have been a man. The kind of energy she has is something else. But I believe she'll come around. Yeah?
Real.
I think she'll come around.
I need the car keys.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? Why did you just barge into my room like that?
Do I need permission to enter inside this house? This is my father's house.
And this is my matrimonial room.
See, I didn't come here to banter words with a child like you. Just give me the car key so that I can be going.
Which car key?
The one that is parked outside.
Hey, my car.
Your car.
You're not serious.
See, you know that car was bought with my father's money. So technically, that car is mine.
See. I don't understand. Come. What's the meaning of this? What are you doing? Hey, stop! Why are you searching my things? Can you stop? What is it?
Don't you ever lay your filthy hands on me again. Look, because my brother picked you from the gutter does not give you the right to challenge me, okay? Maya, you are nothing. Do you hear me? You are nothing. This film is so funny, Hey! Oh my God. Very funny.
Mom, making too much noise, and this movie is not
If I-
even funny.
Amanda, shift. I say shift. It's funny to me, so don't spoil my mood, okay? Is this not funny? You don't want to laugh. Ah. Hey. I think they want to have peace in this house. We will see who is going to get tired now. Hey.
Why is it not locked?
Mom, Auntie's talking to you.
Which auntie? Did your stupid auntie mention my name?
Why is the door locked?
Maybe they should go and ask the door why the door. Don't even bother. That one I locked it too. So come and sit down. Let's watch this funny film together, eh?
I don't understand. What's going on here? Why is my door locked?
Why is your door locked? Your door. Since you said nobody is going out in this house, no problem now. All of us will stay and watch film.
Please. I don't have energy for any drama this morning. Please just provide the keys. Let me get to work.
It's me that is causing drama. Me? Get to work in which car? The car that you refused me to drive, Abby? Eh? The car that was bought with my father's money. There is no how you that they picked from the gutter will be driving the luxury car while I, Chief Damian Okonkwo's first daughter, will be riding in a taxi. Never. It can never happen. Yes. So please, let's sit down. Let's watch film.
Wow. If you wanted a car so bad, why don't you ask your husband? I mean, he's in the US, so we should be able to.
He's in the US. He's going to buy me a car. But for now, I'm going to use my father's car.
My car?
Which car? By the time your husband comes back, he will not even recognize you again. Come now. Stop pacing. Sit down. Let's watch film. Nobody's going anywhere today. Amanda, laugh with me. Is this film not funny? Oh, yeah, come. It's people's business, so.
I came as soon as I got your call. Everything okay? Baby.
Your sister locked me in this house. She said I won't leave this house because how dare I drive my car while she takes taxis.
At this point, I don't even know what to take. Baby, please.
No, I don't understand.
Please, I'm sorry. Okay, I will talk to her.
See, I'm only respecting her because she's your older sister.
I know, baby. I know. Look,
If
Audrey is always like that. She's just always bitter. She's a bitter person.
Me? Bitter. Hey! Adrian, me bitter. You see your stupid life. So your wife called you to report your own sister and you came back as the senseless chicken that you are. Instead of you to ask questions, you are there siding with her, consoling her, calling me bitter. Me bitter.
Adrian, do you know that this is a house?
Her house.
Do you know?
This is also my house.
What will lock her inside the house for what?
Why would I lock her inside the house? She said I'm not going to go out with the car.
Is it your car?
Yes, it's my car.
Look, that car.
It was bought with my father's money. It's my car.
No. I mean, that is a wedding car, for God's sake. Why are you so bitter?
Why am I so bitter?
What will lock a human being inside her house?
Me.
For what?
Me. I am the human being that will lock a human being inside the house.
I just warn you. Don't get on my nerves.
Or what?
Don't get on my nerves.
Or what? You're going to beat me.
Don't get on my nerves. I'm warning you now.
Because of this thing.
It's okay.
The other production, they were actually complaining that you didn't post their material, promotional materials on time, and
when you tell them to do quality materials, they will be cutting costs and saving their money.
Yeah, I told them that wasn't up to standard, and they did a new one.
So you cannot be doing cut and join picture. Somebody's looking right, the other person looking left.
Just
for us to promote.
No, I told them that one is actually not up to standard to post, and they actually put an effort.
Oh,
so you're going to post this one?
Yeah. Even if definitely it's good, because we cannot be doing less than what we've done now. Come on.
Okay. So Mr. Jude advised that you use this opportunity to visit the safari, since you don't have much doing in Kenya.
Yeah, we'll do all that. I plan on doing all that.
Okay, so I need to get a tour guide then.
Yeah, or don't take it down on Instagram stuff. Have very nice.
No, don't believe whatever you see on Instagram. I need to get repeatable tour guides.
Well. Look who we have here. A man that is always in another man's house. Don't you have work, Austin? Why are you always in this house?
Good evening, Audrey.
Good evening, Audrey.
There's something very important that, why is it that whenever you open your mouth, it proves the point that your mouth runs faster than your brains?
You're a very silly person. You're always looking for a rich man to leech on. You this broke man. Are you not
Audrey,
a leech?
Audrey.
No, bro, just relax.
Audrey, it's enough.
No, allow me to talk to this man so that he'll hear it. Why is he here drinking our drink? Always coming to warm another person's chair. He does not have work. He's just a leech. He does not have anything. He always come here to come and sit and be gisting. Why are you being with somebody that is not in your level?
He's enough. What's wrong with you? It's okay.
Go and meet people that is in your level. This broke man.
You know, whenever you talk, each time you sound more miserable than you sounded the last time.
You see that is miserable. Because tell me why by this time when everybody is in their offices, tell me what you are doing here.
See, Audrey, I want to let you know something. That you're sick. Not just sick, you don't have sense.
That is sick.
Because you don't understand the fact that I work with your brother and I think you need help.
This
bitterness that you have inside of you is eating you up. It's consuming you. They need to help you, Audrey. It's a thing of concern. I think we need to put out a protest for your sakes. You need help.
Me?
You do.
Peter, me needs help. Tell me, if you don't need help, tell me what you're doing in this house. Tell me what you're doing in this house if you don't see. This is a fake friend. Let me tell you something. Fake friend. This guy is a fake friend. Don't shout at me like that. I'm not your mate though. I'll go. But you. See, he's woman that will marry this one and keep in the house. Broke friend.
Adrian, there is a problem and your sister is actually sick. She needs help.
I don't know again. I have no idea, man.
Her conduct is unbecoming.
Austin,
Audrey.
who is the new accountant?
Why are you asking the question that I cannot answer?
Who is the new accountant? And you have to answer me. Are you mad?
What's bringing this one now?
What do you mean what's bringing this one? Tell me who is the new accountant of A&O companies.
Audrey, if you want to find out who the new accountant is, go home and ask your brother who.
Are you mad? Oga, I said who is the new accountant of A&O companies?
What, are you mad?
You are mad. Austin, you're acting as if you don't know me. If you don't tell me who the new accountant is, I swear to God, I will shout, "Hey, Rep!
Come on!
Rep!
Stop! What's your problem?
Rep!
Audrey, it's okay. Shh. Why are you shouting?
Talk.
Audrey, what's your problem? Look, I have heavy respect for your father, your brother. Why are you doing this?
Hey, Rep! Rep! Rep!
It's okay. His name is Caleb.
You better be right with this name, oh. Else I'm going to come back.
But what you're doing is not good.
Go away. What I'm doing is not good. Rubbish.
Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, have you seen my car keys?
No, I didn't. Are you sure my mom didn't take them? She went out today.
Your mom went out with my car? Can you imagine? Where did she go?
I don't really know. I woke up this morning to find out that she has already gone out. And I haven't even eaten safe.
Hey, who this lady has not gone to sell my car? What type of problem is this?
Uncle,
Yes?
please, I haven't eaten since morning.
Okay, you know
I'm
what?
really hungry.
Okay, Auntie will bring you something in your room, okay? I'll tell her now.
Okay.
Alright. Can you imagine?
Hello, brother.
Where are my keys?
Relax, why are you shouting? What? Oh, please, what happened to me?
Are you drunk?
Me? Who said I'm drunk?
By this time of the day, Audrey.
Who says I'm drunk? Do I look drunk? You can... What?
Do you know we have a kid in the house? Do you know that?
So, you are here, there is Maya, there is everybody, so it's fine. Can I even say take it off? Where's that mad sister-in-law of yours? Where is she? Where is she?
Just...
Eh? No, hands supposed to that girl. She don't to do.
See, I honestly feel like killing that.
I will join and kill her.
Just relax.
No, I did not come to sit down.
Come and sit down. My husband said we should not do anything first. Let's wait for him to come back.
Ah, why would she put your food away? She okay? She mad? Are you because of her bitterness?
Hello? Oh, baby. You sent me a gift? I haven't received it.
Hmm?
What did you send? Your sister, I think she might have received it.
Daddy, you have to go.
He said he sent me a gift. He said he sent me a gift.
Audrey! Audrey! Excuse you. What are you doing in my room?
Did you receive any delivery that was meant for me?
Yes. It's mine now. Remove it. I should remove it. Remove it! You know, this was bought with my father's money. So it's mine now.
Are you mad?
You are mad.
Are you mad?
I removed that! Don't you lay your filthy hands on me. See, I will take your parking door out of my room. What are you trying to do?
Did you slap me?
No. Let me deal with this girl. Are you mad? Take your parking door out of this room. Are you mad? This is my father's house. So everything here belongs to me. Take her out of this place. Right now.
Let's not fight.
I will let you. If I don't do this girl back, I don't go get joy. It's not over. Ha! You, Audrey. You! Get out of this house.
It's alright. You think I'm Maya? If I don't deal with you.
Father's house, you cannot do anything. Everything in this house.
Hey, has she given you back the jewelry?
She said it belongs to her because it was bought with her father's money.
Is she? Audrey! Audrey! Audrey!
Why are you shouting my name like that?
I need that jewelry.
What jewelry?
The jewelry I got for my wife. I need it back now. I'm talking to you. Give me back the jewelry now.
I will not give it back. I will never bring it. Adrian, you lie. I won't return it.
What type of problem is this? I need give it to me now.
I'm not giving it to you.
Give it to me.
Why? See, once you're done barking like a dog, you go upstairs. Okay?
Come here.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Don't you dare in your life or your next life touch my husband. See, I've been respecting you because of the respect I have for my husband. If not, I will scatter your face, so. What is it? Babe, she has to leave this house. No. She has to leave this house. I'm tired. I've tried to be patient with her. I'm tired, please. She has to leave this house.
Look, I agree with you, honey. I agree with you. She has to. Honestly, she has to.
Like, what is it? Why does she act so entitled, like everything you own belongs to her, or everything that you have belongs to her father or something?
I mean, yeah, in her head, that's what she feels like.
Then let her go back to her rich husband or something, because I don't know.
Look, it's just a long story. Right after she left Jimmy and everything just fell apart for her. I mean, if you say it, I could tell you what happened.
Tell me, because I really need to understand, like.
You know, if my daddy catches us, you know we are dead, right?
That old man, forget about him. You are not a kid anymore. You are a big baby.
Daddy.
What in God's name is going on here?
Oh.
You smoke?
No,
in
Daddy.
my house?
No.
Look at all this. Oh, you have started smoking.
No, Daddy.
You want to kill me?
Daddy, don't raise your voice.
And who is this fool? This idiot? This criminal? This drug addict
Daddy,
in my house?
he's not a criminal. He's a good boy.
Who is
No,
this?
Daddy, don't hit him.
Who is
Daddy, don't hit.
Shut up.
Daddy, don't hit.
Shut up.
Don't hit me.
Shut up. Why shouldn't I hit you? You smoke. You're my only daughter. And you brought a criminal, a blackleg, a fool, a drug addict into my house.
Daddy, I'm not doing
Shut up!
I'm not doing
Shut up before
Daddy, don't hit me.
Is that what you want to be?
No, Daddy.
Is that the life you've chosen? To frolic with fools?
Daddy, it's
with
not your
drunks,
fault.
with criminals?
It's not your fault, Daddy.
Is that what you want to be?
No, Daddy, he's not your fault. Jimmy, please hold on. Jimmy, baby, I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you are sorry. Your father hit me like I'm one of his slaves.
Please don't be angry. You know he's old and stubborn.
Old and stubborn. He's lucky I'm respecting because I love you. I could have broken that stick and I'll feed him. I'll feed him with it.
I'm sorry, okay? I have something for you.
What's that?
This is my daddy's ATM card, so I'll send you the PIN when I go back inside. Don't worry, I'll send more next week, okay?
Now you are talking. Come on, give me a hug. That's my girl.
Jimmy, you know, I love you so much, and there is nobody on this earth that is going to separate us. Not my father, not my brother, nobody.
Nobody. You are my word, my queen, my life. Do you know what? You and I will fight against the world. Just be going now, okay?
Okay.
Don't allow your dad to find out. Be very careful.
promise.
Don't allow him to find out.
Okay,
Be going now. Be going. Thank you. Be going.
All right, I'll call you babe.
No problem.
Bye. Hey, I already told you I will get more money, okay? I'll find a way and send you more money. You don't have any reason to be angry. Okay, just calm down. You know I love you so much. And trust me, there is nobody. Dad! Why? So why did you just barge into my room like that? You didn't even... you should have not. At least.
Really? Where's my ATM card?
I don't understand what you're talking about, sir. I'm not with your ATM card.
Yeah, no, with my ATM card. Go get my ATM card right now.
Dad, I'm not with it. Have you checked? Maybe you misplaced it or something.
Audrey.
Sir?
You look me right in the face and you tell me I misplaced my ATM card. You think I'm like you? I know every nook and cranny of this house, you know that. Where's my card right now?
Maybe you should ask Adrian. I'm not the only one in this house. I'm not
I should ask Adrian.
Maybe he took it, or I don't know. Dad, why are you accusing me? How are you sure I'm the one that took the ATM card?
Because I know that you are the one that took it.
Oh, so Adrian is the saint, Abby. I'm the black sheep of the family.
What's going on?
Your sister took my ATM card and gave her black leg of a boyfriend. Can you beat that?
Sissy, what's wrong with you?
Please shut up, don't talk to me.
Oh.
What do you mean by what's wrong? See, that you're the one that is giving him wings to talk to me anyhow and insult me.
Stop that, Audrey.
Daddy, please calm down. You know all this shouting and talking is not good for your health. Please
No,
relax.
that's all right. I'm not comparing you both. I don't have to do that. You are the senior sister. He's your younger brother.
Oh, and he's the saint.
No, but he's much more responsible than you are. That's what I'm trying to say. I can't compare my children, but he is more responsible than you are.
You give Daddy's card back. Now bring the card out and
Did
give
you see
it
me
back.
with any card? Why are you accusing me?
Obviously you took it.
And maybe it's you that took it. I don't understand. Dad, you see, this is the problem.
Daddy.
Why is everybody thinking that I'm the one that any bad thing that happens, I'm the one that I think both of you should. I need privacy.
Adrian will have to go to work. Audrey.
Sir.
Someday you will think about what you've done. Let's go.
Please get out. How did you find out? Stop this.
Officer, you caught him. That's good. Lock him up. All right. Thank you so much. That's good. Excellent job. Excellent. Well done. No money. No, I'm not really interested in the money. I'm interested in the fact that you caught him and you've locked him up, and he will face the full wrath, the full weight of the law. That's the way it is. The consequences of the law. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Daddy,
Yes, darling.
why did you arrest Jimmy?
Oh, my darling, who is Jimmy? I didn't arrest Jimmy. I don't know who Jimmy is. I arrested a criminal that took my ATM and took all my money.
You will release him right now.
Oh, but I wouldn't do such thing. He will have his day in court and face the consequences of the law, the full wrath of the law.
But Daddy, he's not a thief. Okay, I gave him the ATM. I gave him everything. He didn't steal from you. I gave him the ATM. So just call them to release him.
Audrey, my darling, you gave a criminal my ATM to steal money for himself. Did you hear yourself? It's all right. Let him stay there for a little while. He will go to court. They will jail him.
Don't release him right now.
Yeah.
I am going to kill myself.
Audrey, I don't understand why you have to kill yourself. What for? Has it got to this level? Audrey, come back here. Audrey! Oh, children of these days, you're carrying them on your back and are busy collecting food from the tree. Hey, no. What is she talking about? She will kill herself.
And if you don't call the police and get Jimmy released right now, I will kill myself.
Audrey, that's a sharp knife. Don't joke. Let us
Daddy, do
talk.
I look like I'm joking?
Let's talk father and daughter. We will sort this out. Just drop the knife.
No, we are not talking about anything. I'm done being treated like a child. I am done being treated like a prisoner in this house. So no, just call and release him. Else I will kill myself.
Audrey, you are done being treated like a child. You are done being overlooked. All right, I can understand. What do you want?
50%.
Of what?
Everything you own. Your properties, your assets, money, 50%. I want to get my own freedom. I am no longer a baby. You can't keep treating me like such. So you just give me...
It's okay. Just drop the knife. I will put together 50%. It's not something I will give you right here, you know. Okay, I'll put together 50%. That's no problem. Just drop the knife. It's okay. You're better alive and stupid than dead. I don't want to believe that boy did something to her, something diabolical. Do you think he did? Because this is just not normal, isn't it? It's okay, she gets it.
I just say you define me.
You're Jimmy.
Now me, now be you blind.
So you're the idiot my sister is following, Abi.
I be idiot. Your sister not feel leave me. So not be you can be the idiot.
Jimmy, what do they call you? Leave my sister alone.
Now she go tell that one now, make she leave me alone now. But she no go fit. You know why? I dey lick her play, I dey knock her wetin no good.
Shut up your mouth. Next time I watch to disrespect my sister anyhow.
You never light again. You know wetin? Go dey phone fine boy everywhere. You get luck. Say you get wetin dey expect from your sister. Very big. If not, this your fine boy for redesign you. I go tattoo your face anyhow. You know where I be? I may be Jimmy. Why you look me?
It's not over.
It's not over. Come on, yeah, small boy, fine boy.
Jimmy, I'll go straight to the point. You took my ATM, emptied the account, even if I didn't put a lot of money there. I locked you up. I released you. Okay? And I really can't hold any grudge. But this is a check of 20 million naira. Whatever you have with my daughter, end it. Take it. And leave her. It's a lot of money. Take it.
Oga, I no fit collect am o.
Jimmy, I'm not sure you're stupid. Because for you to have stolen my ATM by cajoling my daughter and taking all my money there, it means you have some little sense in you, even if it is obtaining by trick, OBT. So it's okay. Just take the money and run.
Wetin I go get from your pikin pass this one now? The love when I get for her pass this one. I no fit collect am.
Oh, when did criminals begin to love? Obtaining by trick. You know what that? 419. That's what you did to my daughter. Unfortunately for people like you, I have sense better than you have. Take the money and leave, my friend. That's all.
Sir, I no go fit collect am o. The love when I get for her pass that one. I dey come and go find my babe.
You know, when a bird is burning in the fire, it will say, you could see the amount of oil I'm bringing out. You see the fat. How can a criminal, an OBT guy, 419er, tell me he loves my daughter? It's hard to believe, don't you think so?
Daddy, I've made up my mind. I'm leaving.
Okay. Audrey.
Sir?
Audrey.
Yes, Daddy.
Audrey.
Yes, Daddy.
How many times did I call you? You know, when the tortoise is going on a senseless journey, the relations, you know, will call him and say, brother tortoise, this road you are taking is not good. And he will say, not until I've been disgraced, disgraced, disgraced. Not until I've been disgraced.
Oh, Daddy, you can just cut the long story short.
I know. You have made up your mind. I am not going to change your mind. I'm just talking because the ear that does not listen follows the head to the grave when it's cut off. It's okay. Since you want half of my property, there's no long talk in evening service now. So let's go straight to it. Audrey, I have given your brother this house and the company. After all, he has started running the company anyway. These are documents for the 2 houses at Harbour Works Road. They're yours now. This is a check of 300 million. That's for you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Audrey.
Sir?
300 million is not a lot of money. But when the storms gather, you should be careful. But it's okay. You have got it. Your brother doesn't want to see you off because he doesn't want you to go, so he doesn't want to see you. Another thing Finally. Don't come back here when it becomes bad. Don't.
Thank you, Daddy. Hey.
Wow. See you finally growing.
I told you, nobody, not even my father, I'm not scared of anybody. Okay?
That's my baby girl talking.
Now, look. This is what I have.
Audrey, baby. This is it.
Yes.
With this kind of money, nobody will ever talk to us anyhow again.
Exactly.
We are rich.
Jimmy, I have been living under or inside a cage for a very long time, but now this is the freedom.
Do you know what? You choose me. You choose the right man for yourself. Go and jubilate. Be proud of yourself. You choose the right man for yourself.
Jimmy.
Yes,
see,
baby.
I'm not going to go back. They can choke on their fear.
Good.
They can choke on their pride. It's me and you for life.
For life.
To freedom.
Let's go and celebrate. Come on.
Let's go. Let's keep this here.
Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Adrian, give me your hand. Oh, where is your sister?
Daddy, you cannot be talking about my sister right now. Look, the doctor's on his way here. Okay, let's just wait for him for a bit.
My son, I don't need a doctor now. I need your sister right now.
Daddy's sister has made her choice. She has made her own decisions. You cannot keep breaking your heart over that.
Son, you will never understand. She is blood. A father cannot be too angry with the child. You beat her with one hand, you bring her back with the next hand, And, son, I want you to find her. I want to see her for the last time.
Oh, no. Daddy, no, there's no last time here. Okay, don't talk like that. Please, you will see her. Okay, not just right now, but you will see her soon. Okay, let's just focus on getting you better first, please.
Adrian, how many times did I call you?
Only 3 times.
Good. Find your sister.
I would find her, okay? But you have to promise me that you'll be fine first, okay? Please.
Good.
Sorry.
I need it. Adrian. Thank you. And Adrian, tell her. Tell her that I forgive her.
And I will tell her, okay? The doctor's on his way here. Just relax, calm down. So that's exactly what happened. I mean, ever since I did not set eyes on my sister anymore. I mean, even when her father died, there was no address, no number, nothing to reach out. Up until last week, she just pulls up at my place.
So she took her own 50%. And now she's here to turn this house upside down. Eh? Why did she even come back?
I wish I knew. I wish I knew why she's back. Maybe she's feeling guilty, or just her pride, or she's even lost. But then, my dad, on his dying bed, he just said one thing: bring her home. That was his last wish. Bring her home.
Home. She made her choice. Let her stay where she chose. Let her just stay where she chose.
Baby, listen. I want her to go as much as you do. But then I cannot just throw away the wish of my dying father just like that. So babe, please, even if for a little bit, let her just hang around here for a bit.
My love.
I know, baby.
You deserve peace. You don't. All this chaos happening in this house, you don't deserve it.
I know. Okay. And now, the worst of all, she has a kid. And that girl looks like my late mother so much, especially when she smiles. So baby, please, even for her sake, let her just stay here for a while. Okay, mommy.
I'll try to speak with her and make peace with her because of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mom, what happened?
Me. Maya. That witch. See, I will make sure that I deal with her in this house. I will deal with her in this house. She will see. I will mess her up. Me.
Mom, did Aunt Maya flog you?
Amanda, please, just go and sit down. I don't want to lose my mind. Just leave my front, okay?
Mom, don't you think this has gotten a bit too far? We didn't come here to fight. And we don't have a home of our own. No money to fall back on.
Amanda, don't start preaching to me now. You're too young to understand things. Just go and lie down. Do something.
No, Mom, I understand more than you think. I see everything. Uncle Adrian and Auntie Maya treats us well, with respect. And you keep pushing them. What are you fighting for? Pride? Anger? Mom, what do you gain from all this? If Uncle Adrian sends us out, where will we go?
Amanda, you don't understand. You see that filthy thing? Lay that filthy hands on me. I will never forgive her. I will never forgive her.
Mom, please, let's make peace with them. Peace is worth more than pride. Let's make peace with Uncle, please.
I should make peace with them?
Yes.
After she laid her hands on me? Me, make peace. It's like you don't know. We'll move, Joe. Make peace with who? I will never make peace. See, never. Never. Look at my hands.
Then you lose everyone again.
Hi, Audrey. How you doing?
I'm fine now. Please, where do you think you're going to?
Adrian called, so I came to see him.
Well, he's not around, so just turn around and go.
He texted me 2 minutes ago, and he's saying he's not around.
I said he is not around.
All right, then I'll wait.
Wait where? Why are you waiting? I said the person you're looking for is not around. You want to wait? Oh, Gabi, going now.
Adrian, what's your problem? I didn't come here to see you. I actually came to see your brother. What is the problem? Why are you like this?
Why am I like what? He's not around. Just go. All these broke people. Always looking for. I said, you're not jobless. Just be going. Oga, be going. Or call him. You can't stay here.
I really do think you need to get yourself checked. You fight everything and everybody. What is your problem? Is there something eating you from inside?
Something is eating you from inside.
I think there's a trauma that you need to heal from.
You should have trauma.
What is your problem?
Poverty trauma. Generational trauma, not me. Get out! The person you're looking for is not around. All these poor people looking for rich people to leech on.
See, let me tell you something.
Tell me what?
One day, you'll meet someone who will give it to you the way that you are.
Until then, go! Broke man, see this one. And somebody like that looking for rich people. See, nobody in this house is going to marry you. Nobody, it's just two of us. Brooklyn. Leech. Bye!
There.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, what brought you?
I need your help.
With what?
Audrey slapped me. And I heard she slapped you too. I want a revenge. I can't let it slide. No, I won't. That guy raised hand, slap me. No, now. No. I got to do her back, I beg.
Of a truth, I did not revenge. She slapped me, and you know, if you revenge this time around, if you beat a woman, it's like an anathema thing that shouldn't be done in any. Anyway, so I had to let it slide, and I was looking at Adrian too. I didn't want to get into like beating my friend's sister.
Okay.
It doesn't really all go well. So
Hey, you get person where they respect, and not get anybody where they respect. I want to do back. This one a woman want beat woman, now no wahala. You no go to cause problem.
that's not a bad idea. But the thing is, how do you want me in? What can I
Okay.
do?
I want you to lure her out. Okay, you're close to the family than I am. Just lure her anyway, quiet, calm, where nobody there, where nobody go separate fight. You get? I want to do her back. Because if I don't beat that girl back, I no go get joy.
On one condition.
Waiting.
There won't be extreme violence. There won't be police involvement. There won't be any trouble that will escalate. It has to be something woman versus woman, and you guys get
Why they
fair
talk
share
like
of
someone
revenge.
killer? Why they talk like
No, I wanted to
someone-
be sure and make sure that we're working within the ambit of modesty. Even there is going to be a chaos in between, but at least something that will not escalate.
I know they speak English, I beg. No, only beat and one beater, no beat and one killer now. I will try. I'm not promising anything, but I'm going to try.
Okay.
Hello? Please, I'm here. Oh, don't keep me waiting. And I've been waiting here since, actually. I've been waiting for 10 minutes, and this one is very hot. I'm outside, I'm packed. Please, where are you? You said I'm seeing the accountant. I'm not seeing anybody. Austin, hello? 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 Huh. This idiot actually ended the call on me. Austin, what's the meaning of this? Where did...
You've been looking for me, right?
Vera.
Yes? Long time no see. I tell you, say if I don't flog you back, I don't get peace.
Vera, please. Okay, we can actually talk about this.
Really?
Austin, what's the meaning of this?
So you can actually beg?
After everything my family did for you, you set me up. Vera, please.
I beg, shut up!
Shh! Hey! You crossed many lines. And I told you.
Wait, no, hold on, no, hold on. We can actually.
No, get mind.
Do
Raise
what?
up your stupid hand.
No.
Flog me.
No.
Hey, baby. How? You sounded very urgent on the phone. Everything okay?
Yes, I don't know how to tell you.
Hey, baby. Oh, what's going on? Please talk. You're scaring me. Baby.
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Stop it! Baby! For real? Okay! Come here!
Oh, you want to hurt me and the baby.
You just said baby! You just said you and the baby! Oh my god! Baby! Oh my god, you're pregnant!
You're so dramatic.
Baby! Oh my god, come here, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, baby. Hey, look.
I took the test twice. I wanted to really make sure before telling you.
Okay. So what do we do now? What does pregnant women like? What type of food do you guys eat? or do you want a new car or?
Yes, I want a new car.
Vacation or name?
All of them, everything.
Is it boy or girl?
We don't know yet.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you, baby. Thank you, sweetheart.
I love you.
Mom. They will hear from me. All of them. They will all hear from me. That's she-goat, Maya and her friend. They laid hands on me. Look at now.
Mom, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry they did this to you.
I beg, please, save your pity for the person that needs it, Not me.
But Mom, how about you tell Uncle Adrian about this so he can
No. I am not pleading with anybody. I'm not begging anybody. I will fix this myself. I will fix it myself. Let them enjoy it while it lasts. I will make sure it does not last. You see that, Maya? I will deal with her.
Mom, please be careful.
Careful? My dear, I'm done being careful. Look at what they did to your mommy and telling me to be careful. This is my father's house after all. Rubbish.
Excuse me, what happened? What happened? You, oh my god. Give me my keys. Give me keys. Look, listen. Anything happened to my wife, I'll skin your life.
I'm not doing anything.
Oh my god. Baby. Sorry.
Now we know who the real boss is in this house. Nonsense.
Mom, how could you?
What do you mean, how could you?
She could have died.
She did not die, she just fell.
She's pregnant. How could you do such a thing? You're so heartless. I get to be my mother.
Amanda, hold on!
Adrian, please. Adrian, please. Adrian, please. Adrian, please. Adrian, please. Adrian, please.
Get out!
Please, I beg
Because of you, my wife and kid are bleeding in the hospital. Because of your madness and stupidness.
I know.
Everything bitter.
I know. I'm sorry.
Listen, pray to your God that nothing happens to my wife.
I'm sorry.
Pray.
Adrian, please, but you just have to listen to me. Okay, I will go. Okay, I will go. I will leave. But please, you just have to listen to me. Amanda is missing.
What do you mean find Amanda? Where's Amanda?
She ran off after everything.
Amanda ran? Your own daughter
I
ran
know,
off?
I know. Please, I understand understand what it means to lose a child. Jimmy took everything. He took all my money, all my properties. Ramanda is all I have. You just have to help me find her. Please, Adrian, please help me. I will go. Just help me find Amanda, please. Please. Amanda. Oh my God.
Don't touch me.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
Uncle.
Where did you go?
Uncle, please don't send us away. Uncle, please, if you throw us out, we don't have anywhere to go. We don't have anything. I dropped out of school because my mom couldn't pay my fees. If you throw us out, we don't have anywhere to go. Uncle, please don't send us away.
It's okay. It's okay, my love. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Please. I'm sorry. Adrian.
Listen, save that apology for Maya. That's if she ever forgive you.
Adrian.
Hey.
It's okay, I can walk.
Okay. Okay, Superwoman. Okay.
Thank you. It's good to be back home.
Yeah. I'm sorry. You need something to eat. Eat.
Maya. Adrian. I'm so sorry. I've been so stupid. I didn't know what came over me. The truth is that Jimmy.
So you don't get mad, Abby? You don't get mad,
I
Abby?
understand, babe. What
You don't
happened?
get mad. You enter my phone. You enter my phone.
Why would you be
Collect the
chatting
back of the
another girl? Am I not enough for you?
You say waiting.
Why
You
would
dey
you
mad?
be chatting another girl?
Me, Jimmy, you dey mad? You dey mad? You dey mad? Huh? Since when? See, get up. See, make I warn you, eh? Make I warn you. From today henceforth, if you carry my phone again, call anybody, I won't join you.
Okay.
So you don't get mad now.
I'm sorry.
Me, Jimmy.
I want it again.
Jimmy.
I'm sorry. Oh my God.
If I'm sorry now, eh? I've been begging you since I'm sorry. You keep this phone and let's talk now. Keep your phone.
I can hear you.
You know I love you so much. How will you go to my phone and start calling people from my phone? What if that person is a business partner? You don't know. I won't try it again. I'm sorry. It's the devil's work. You know, say I love you now.
I promise not to chat that girl again. Promise.
If you don't chat me again, I will not chat them again. I promise you. If you don't chat me again, I'm not going to chat them again. Not be me they chat. Nah, she they chat me. And not be me. Okay, I go try block him. You know, say I love you. Yellow purple. Yellow purple. Yeah, come. But go make I teach you something. You know, now that's when you like. Oh yeah, come, get up. Get up. Yeah, turn around. You fine.
Babe. Jimmy, did you sell any of the properties?
Why you dey shout now?
What do you mean why they shout now?
You know your voice. Why you dey shout?
Did you sell any of the properties? Why am I constantly getting debit alerts? You are selling stuff. How much do you have left in the account?
Wait, now you dey shout for me.
Why won't I shout for you? How much do we have left in the account?
Because you bring the money now.
It's my money. It's my money, my property.
You dey shout for me. You dey shout for me. How much you get? You dey shout for me. What do you worry you now? See what I give my.
I need to know every details that went on from this stuff that I'm seeing. What am I seeing on my phone?
Okay, now you be the woman. Okay, now you be the man of the house now.
I don't understand. You provide every details of everything. Please tell me how much.
Chris, I provide this for you.
I did Chris.
You don't dey grow me.
I don't like what is going on in this house.
If I slap you, mad.
Why will you slap me?
I mean, you shot for.
Why will you slap me?
I mean, you shot.
Why am I go?
I mean, you shot for. Huh?
Oh my God.
Again.
Jimmy.
What is your worry you? What is your worry you? What is your worry you? Let me just shot for. What is I don't know you before. I don't know you before, eh?
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm questioning you again, please. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. In fact, even safe.
Jimmy, please, wait, don't go. Oh my God. Jimmy, what I did? Please don't go. Jimmy,
If you
please
near me again, I'm going to enjoy you. I'm going to tell you before. You idiot. How much you get? That's very stupid.
I don't even have anybody to call, Jimmy. He left me. And I carried Amanda's pregnancy all by myself. I didn't want to come back because I thought everybody was going to laugh at me. And Adrian and Dad warned me about him. I didn't listen. Instead of me to come back with humility, I decided to lie. I'm sorry. Right now, I'm broke. I don't have anything to my name. We don't even have anywhere to go to. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me, Maya. Please. I'm sincerely sorry.
It's okay. Please stand up, please. It's fine. I forgive you.
Thank you.
I have forgiven you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Adrian, I'm so sorry. I didn't know what came over me. Please forgive me. Just find it in your heart to forgive me. Please, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, just sit down. Sit down.
Thank you.
Look, I mean, at the end of the day, we're family. The family and the family stands by each other. That's what we do. That's the whole essence of family. I mean, you should have just told us something. I'm sure Daddy will not allow you to suffer alone, and neither would I. I understand. I understand. I'll give you 20% shares of the company, and I'll find a spot for you there, and I'll get an apartment for you and Amanda as well. At least from there, I could start life again and start with something again. Okay?
Thank you so much, Adrian.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Sit down. It's okay. Everything is fine, alright? It's okay.
It's okay. Thank God the baby is fine.
Alright. So we have a little one come on the way. You know? He...
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay.